Welcome to the Three Valley Gap Heritage Ghost Town, nestled in the breathtaking beauty of British Columbia's mountains. Just a short drive from Revelstoke, this unique attraction takes you on a journey back in time to the 1800s, offering a glimpse into the past of British Columbia's pioneer days. As you step into the ghost town, you'll find yourself wandering through over 25 historic buildings, each meticulously restored to reflect a typical British Columbia Western town from the 1800s. These buildings were rescued and preserved to showcase the lives of the pioneers who shaped this region. From the blacksmith shop to the saloon, each structure tells the story of the past. One of the highlights of Three Valley Gap is the Antique Auto Museum, where you'll find an impressive collection of vintage automobiles. The museum features vehicles dating back to 1902, offering a fascinating look at the evolution of transportation and the craftsmanship of early automobiles. The charm of the ghost town lies not only in its historical significance but also in its stunning setting. Surrounded by towering mountains and the serene Three Valley Lake, the ghost town offers a perfect blend of history and nature. Interactive displays and guided tours provide a deeper understanding of the area's history, making it a fun and educational experience for all ages. Step into the grandeur of the past at Hotel Bellevue, an iconic establishment in the heart of Three Valley Gap Heritage Ghost Town. This beautifully restored hotel offers a glimpse into the luxurious accommodations of the 1800s, where travelers would rest after a long journey. The hotel is filled with period furnishings, each piece meticulously curated to reflect the opulence of its time. For those with an appreciation for history and architecture, Hotel Bellevue is a captivating stop on your ghost town tour. Next, we journey to the buggy shop, where transportation from the past springs to life. This fascinating exhibit showcases a variety of horse-drawn buggies and carriages, providing insight into how people traveled in the 19th century. The railway roundhouse is another must-see attraction. Complete with a turntable, locomotives, and rail cars, this exhibit captures the essence of railway history in Canada. Explore the beautifully restored rail cars and imagine the journeys they once embarked upon across the rugged Canadian landscape. Are you ready for a spine-chilling adventure? Welcome to the Ghost Train at Three Valley Gap Heritage Ghost Town. This eerie attraction promises to transport you to a world of mystery and thrill. But beware, if you're easily scared, you might want to skip this section. Otherwise, buckle up for a ride that will send shivers down your spine.
In my pouch, I have a rare delicacy. I stabbed it. I hit it with a hammer. You'd think it would have the common courtesy to die!
Whether you're a history enthusiast or simply looking for a unique adventure, the Three Valley Gap Heritage Ghost Town is a destination that promises to captivate your imagination and transport you to another era. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures and historical explorations.